Rocker Ozzy Osbourne no longer just has bats in his belfry, he's about to get them in his garden as well. Heavy metal's Prince of Darkness shocked fans 40 years ago when he bit off the head of a bat thrown on stage. But now the Black Sabbath legend is getting his teeth into protecting the creatures by installing bat boxes at his UK mansion. Get all the latest news sent to your inbox. Sign up for the free Mirror newsletter. In 1982 he left a gig in Des Moines, Iowa, with a bat taste in his mouth and a supply of rabies vaccine. He thought the bat brought to the concert by a couple of kids was made of rubber. Ozzy said, "I picked it up, put it in my mouth, crunched down, bit into it, being the clown that I am." The one-time Batman now has only good intentions for the little animals as his home in Chalfont St. Peter, Bucks, is spruced up for his return from the US. Ozzy, 73, has promised planning chiefs he will put in the bat protection measures to aid conservation at his multi-million-pound Grade 2 listed home, which he will share with wife and former X Factor judge Sharon. Birmingham-born Ozzy is moving back for good after surgery following a bad fall 3 years ago. This week he thrilled fans by unveiling a new solo track, Patient Number 9, with a promo video featuring fluttering bats. It will appear on Ozzy's 13th LP,